Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to explore the Magento 2 admin login as a vendor module. It allows the admin to log in as a vendor or as a customer. This provides quick access to vendor or customer dashboards, enabling admin to make necessary adjustments efficiently. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore the number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. First, we will navigate to the Magento admin panel and check the workflow of this module. We have logged in to the Magento admin panel, and now we will navigate to Stores and click on Configuration. Next, click on Admin Login as Vendor. You will see a field to enable or disable the module. Select Yes to enable it or No to disable it. We will select Yes and click on Save Configuration to enable the feature. After that, refresh the cache and check the module menu on the left navigation bar. Now, let's see how to log in as a customer on the storefront without using a password. Navigate to Customers, then click on All Customers. You will see a link labeled Login as Customer. Click on this link, and you will be logged in to the storefront as that customer. On the storefront, you can now see details like the customer's name, John Doe, and email. From here, you can perform any actions that the customer would be able to perform. Next, navigate again to the Magento admin panel to check the login as vendor functionality. Click on Marketplace Management from the left navigation bar, then click on Manage Sellers. You will see a Login as Vendor link. Click on it. You will now be logged into the seller's account. At this point, the admin can perform any actions as a seller if needed. Lastly, go back to the Magento admin panel and check Admin Login as Vendor, and then click Manage Login Attempts. We can see the login details of customers or sellers who have logged in as the admin from the storefront. And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you liked it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.